Ciao guys, welcome back to Tagliamare. Today we opened something special. The new HM Badger, the 164 kit just released by Amati under the Victory Models line. The actual ship, the real Badger, was a little Fear-built brig from 1777 and it was Nelson's very first command. This is a small ship with a very big history. In this video we're gonna build the frames, the whole skeleton of the hull, right up the moment before planking the hull. The new instruction book has a really nice fresh design. Lots of photos, the steps are clear and honestly you can read through it and get the whole logic of the build in a couple of minutes. The manual says 40 and 60 hours for the complete model, so take your time and prepare a dedicated workspace. One thing before we start, there are a few steps I like to do a little earlier than the book. The deck planking is the main one. I'll plank the decks off the hull while everything is still flat and easy to reach instead of waiting. I'll point it out when we get there. First, the boring but very important part. Before you pop anything out of the laser sheets, take a pencil and number every piece against the plane 1 drawing. The full scale 14, the lower deck 15 and frames 1 to 13. These all look similar once they are loose, and a wrongly placed frame is a problem you really don't want to discover later. So, number first, cut later. Now the dry fit. Insert frames 1 to 12 into their slot on the full scale 14. No glue yet. We are checking 3 things basically. That the frames are parallel to each other, that they sit perpendicular to the keel, and that the lower deck 15 drops cleanly into the notches. The deck 15 here is your friend. It locks everything into alignment like a comb. There are a few ways to glue the frames, and today I'll show you 2 of the most common ones. The first method is the fast one. You dry fit the frame, check the overall alignment and the fit. In this case the fit is good, maybe just a touch of play. You press it firmly down against the keel and then you touch a drop of super glue right on the contact point while you hold it at 90 degrees. Quick but careful. It's fast precisely because it's unforgiving. Once that CA grabs, your mistake is permanent. The second method is the slow, let's say safe one. You use 2 little blocks of wood, or honestly 2 Lego bricks work perfectly, one on each side of the frame to hold it dead perpendicular where you glue. Always keep pressing it down against the keel. This is the one I'd recommend if it's your first plank on frame build. And here's the habit that saves models. While the glue is still setting, keep checking. Look down the hull from the stern and then from the bow. Your eye catches a leaning frame instantly from the ends. Then check from directly above. Whichever you choose, the deck piece 15 is still doing half the work of keeping everything square. As long as the glue is still soft, you can nudge things back into line. 5 seconds of looking now can save you an hour of fixing later. Before you glue, draw the center line down the deck. You'll thank yourself when you start planking and need a reference to keep everything symmetrical. Start planking the deck before gluing it into the upper slots of the frames. This is very important because it's going to be far easier than planking directly into the frame. Adapt it gently to the slight upward curve of the frames. Elastic bands will hold it down if it wants to lift. A tip on the Windows frame doesn't need to be cut in place, so make a mark on the 1 by 2 mm plank, transfer it onto the mat and cut it there. This should fit perfectly and you can glue the frame from behind with a drop of superglue. Last job, and the most important one before planking, is fairing the hull. With a sanding block, work along the external profile of the frames from bow to stern, beveling the edges so a plank can lie flat across several frames at once. Use a loose strip as a test plank, press it against the frame without gluing and keep sanding until it sits evenly and follows the curve with no gaps. Then what you should do is to check the symmetry between the two sides. A well-faired hull is the difference between planking being a pleasure and the planking being a nightmare. And that's the skeleton finished. So the manual estimates 40 to 60 hours between you and the completed ship. In the next video we start with the planking, which is where the model stops looking like a fishbone and starts looking like a boat. That is where the real suffering begins. If you enjoyed this, you know what to do. If you didn't, you also know what to do, but please don't. Have a great week and I will see you in the next video.